Good evening. I'm Christine Johnson.
And I'm Maurice Dubois. The nation's rollout of the coronavirus vaccine began this morning in Queens. And what a moment it was. With the whole world watching, Sandra Lindsay made history when she got the shot at Long Island Jewish Medical Center. This location significant. It's one of the hardest hit areas of the state.
And it comes on the day the U.S. marks a milestone of loss. Today, we surpassed 300,000 deaths in the nation since the pandemic began. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor live now outside NYU Langone on the east side where they are vaccinating workers. Alice?
Christine and Maurice, Governor Cuomo says 10,000 people in New York are being vaccinated today. This is all happening in phased rollouts because batches of the vaccine are coming slowly to each state. Doctors, nurses today agreed to be filmed getting the vaccine to show people it's safe, it's okay to do it. They want to send the message that everyone should do this once it's your turn.
In a live stream, nurse Sandra Lindsay was the first person in New York to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
You didn't flinch.
It didn't feel any different from taking any other vaccine.
A critical care nurse at Long Island Jewish Medical Center in Queens, once the epicenter of the virus, she's seen the worst of it.
It's safe to take the vaccine. I have seen the alternative. I do not want that for you.
Dr. Eve DeRosso was the second to get it.
This is what's going to save us.
Northwell Health estimates it will be well into January before its 54,000 priority employees, followed by another 18,000, are vaccinated. Today, a total of 5 hospitals in New York City received shipments. At NYU Langone, frontline healthcare workers eagerly received their shot.
Subsequent shipments are expected at 37 hospitals on Tuesday and 2 more hospitals on Wednesday.
In Connecticut, healthcare workers rolled up their sleeves.
I would never ask you to do something that I would not be willing to do.
By December 21st, shipments are expected to be distributed to nursing homes there. And New Jersey begins vaccinations tomorrow at University Hospital in Newark. 3 batches are being delivered to the state this month.
Of the 76,050 doses that we are getting today and tomorrow, about 20,000 will go to long-term care facilities.
Those who received the shot today got a card letting them know to come back in 21 days for the second shot. Later this week, the FDA will be deciding whether or not to greenlight the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine, which would add much more out throughout the country. We're live outside of NYU Langone on the east side. Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.